Welcome to our channel. If you want to hide or manage location history related to your Social Security online account access, follow this simple guide to protect your privacy and secure your personal information. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to ssa.gov, the official Social Security Administration website. Step 2. Click on Sign In or My Social Security at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Log in to your My Social Security account using your username and password, or create an account if you don't have one. Step 4. Complete any multi-factor authentication steps required to access your account securely. Step 5. Once logged in, navigate to Account Settings or Security Settings within your account dashboard. Step 6. Look for options related to account activity, login history, or access history. Step 7. Review your account access history to see when and from where your account has been accessed. Step 8. While you cannot delete or hide official access logs maintained by the SSA for security purposes, you can control your browser's location tracking by adjusting browser settings. Step 9. In your browser settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, then Location Permissions, and revoke location access for websites or set it to Ask Every Time. Step 10. Consider using privacy-focused browsers or VPN services when accessing sensitive government websites to minimize location tracking. Step 11. Log out of your Social Security account and clear your browser history and cookies for additional privacy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.